Good morning and welcome to Fat Cow Farm. Now here we are today in garden bed bay number 4, getting ready for our winter crops. Now what I'd done is we'd started going through the soil with a shovel just to give it some aeration and get it ready for those crops. Now we hadn't used this bay before, so this was grass paddock 6 months ago. And you can see what the chickens have done, and we've been cultivating soil and everything else and getting it all right. And we're starting to build up good volume in here. So it is now time for the beds to start being established. We'll let that settle for a week and then we'll start planting out. But going back to that shovel, now it was really, really hard because we hadn't used this bay before. So we had a bit of a quick look online and I found this little guy. Now, and I'm pretty excited about this because I needed to sort of see how it was going to work. And it is a gun. I love it. So this is what they call a broad fork. Now, we got the smaller one. So this is a 5, and then there's also a 7, I think. And I thought the 7 might be a bit big. And this is perfect for everyone here at Fat Cow Farm. Nice and easy to handle. Now, we picked this up from FD Ryan Australian Handmade Tools in Victoria. And I'm blown away, absolutely blown away about how easy it was for this guy to turn up at the post and everything else. It was just fantastic. But I want you to check this out about how easy it is to use, I should say. So all we've done is you put it in like so, use it a little bit like a spade, and like so. And so what's happening here is that the first couple, I mean, look at this. How good is that? Like, it is just absolutely brilliant. This will now give me the loose soil to work with to start working with my standard sort of tools and start establishing the garden beds. But I wanted to show you something. You can see what's happened to this soil. Now, this was all sort of like a clay mix, standard sort of pasture paddock. And like I was saying before, you know, like the chickens have come through, we're making compost and everything else. And almost, you know, most of the clay has gone. Like, it's just all started to break down. We've got good carbon running through. Look at it. It is just absolutely fantastic. So I need a little bit more work here to get this one set up, and we'll start establishing our winter bays, like I said, or the veggie garden bays itself, or the garden beds. We'll get the irrigation in, we'll give it a mulch, we'll let it rest, and then guess what, mate? We're taking all the seedlings that we've put into the hothouse or into the high tunnel hoop house into here. So this is the first time where we can see their seeds establishment from the high tunnel into here, ready to go, mate. So how exciting. I'm just like pumped. The broad fork, if you haven't got one, you need to get one. It is fantastic, absolutely fantastic. So all about the broad fork and making your life in the veggie garden a lot easier. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.